Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Welcome Bill out here. Yeah. And this is how Bill says hi. A couple smoky burnouts. Even rolling in on an endo. Look at this, straight up and down. There was too much tail left after this weekend, I think, on that. Going all the way across the parking lot. Yeah.
Good.
This is, like I said, a brand new bike. You can get the FZ09. It's a 3-cylinder 900. We'll be riding those shortly. Yamaha's introduced this motorcycle on the FZ09 for $79.99, so right around 8,000 bucks. This right here, FJ09, coming in right around 10. But again, this is an awesome motorcycle. Check it out. Yeah. Even those burnouts are cool. There he is. Smoke's clearing. There he is. Mr. Bill D, everybody. As you guys can see, we got a whole fleet of motorcycles here today.
That tire's probably wearing out.
You think the tire's kind of worn out a little bit on that?
Yeah, the tire's gone now.
The tire is gone, he said. I'd say so. I would say so. Again, if you didn't catch me earlier, we go through anywhere from 40 to 60 tires a year, believe it or not. And we give a quick shout out to Dunlop, making it all possible.
The first thing you got to know about something like a Super 10 race, you got to disable ABS and your traction control. I like to do this when I'm riding off road too. I call it the fun bike.
That's right, he calls it the fun bike. Again, this motorcycle is stock as you'd see it. Shaft drive, 1200cc, adventure riding motorcycle. Look at that, hanging sideways. Keep talking the horn at you guys. Reynolds Power Sports. Put your hands together. We want to hear you guys. Yeah. Make some noise. Oh yeah. Again, this is one of the not your typical stunt bikes. But Bill with this extraordinary skill set able to ride all these bikes. Whoa! Hanging low on this thing. I think you think about the reason. I'm sure you guys know sport bikes that you're wheeling, but on this bike right here. Look at this. Even into a stopping. Whoa! You guys up here made it brave. Look at that. Bill's giving a fist bump. He wants to hear you guys put your hands up. Yeah! He'll slow things down one time. Straight up and down. Look at this on a stock motorcycle. Yeah! Getting right around for you.
That's heavy.
Oh man. This motorcycle's coming in at right around 600 pounds. Bill's making it look as though it's 100 pounds. Look at this. Straight up and down. Carbon. Oh! Rolling backwards even. Look at that move. Switching forward. We call that a shuffle. One more time. Look at that. Whoa! Again, this motorcycle, look at that. This thing's 500 plus pounds. I know it doesn't look it. He's honking even. He's honking the horn at these guys. Oh man. Whoa! Oh my goodness. We're out here just having fun. What do you guys think so far? Get a couple thumbs up. I'd like to see it right on. All right. Again, just so you guys know, Bill does own each one of these motorcycles, so they're not on loaner bikes, they're given to Bill. Unreal.
That's the second tire change we got to do after the show.
As he says right there, a couple more tire changes. This type of parking lot, as we travel the country, it's hard to get a big parking lot like this with some good hot top, so the tires don't stand a chance.
These are all balls. Scott, put a stop right now in the service department. We got tires to change.
Yeah, service department, this is the warning shot. We got some tires. We got the My goodness, this is a 200 plus horsepower factory motorcycle. My goodness, this is a look at this. Hanging sideways on this thing. Tires don't stand it. This is probably one of the fastest motorcycles. Yes. Oh my goodness. Laying down some rubber here. Laying it down. My goodness, where did our crowd go? Oh man, we like to call that the smoke machine. Even though, yeah, it is a motorcycle. What do you think, Bill? Is it time for a new one? My goodness, there's not much left on that tire.
Frank Paul Mitchell and Sexy Hair, you'll find yourself stocking up too. Sale ends August 1st.
Big old chunks coming out of that one.